In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your subscription plan in ElevenLabs. So if you are currently on a free plan or you want to move to a much higher plan, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to get started, you need to go to your ElevenLabs account. And for my case, I'm on a free account. To upgrade, there are two ways you can do it. If you hover over on bottom here on the left corner, you should see we have an option to upgrade. Alternatively, if you go on top here under your profile icon and click on it, go to settings, and under settings you should be able to see your current plan. To manage your subscription, click on manage subscription, and here you have an option to choose any of these plans that you wish. So I'm currently on free plan, and you can upgrade to a starter plan, creator plan, pro, or even scale. And as you can see, we have the charges under each that you will pay. So for my case, I'll remain on this free plan. However, you cannot proceed and choose any of the plans here. And for example, if I say I want to choose a starter plan, if I click on starter here, now you'll have to choose whether you want monthly or yearly plan. We are told if you choose an annual plan, you'll get 16% discount compared to a monthly plan. Once you have decided you want to go with any of these, click on continue, and then you will be redirected to the payment page where you can now enter your payment details, that is your card information, before you can subscribe. So that's how you can upgrade on ElevenLabs. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.